open it, shall we? Oh, that's a little box. Yeah, so we've got 1 amp multi-voltage regulator switch mode plug-in power supply. It's got multi adapters there. Basically I'm going to use this for HDMI switch box because it seems to be stealing power from one device in order to show or display another device, which is really weird. So this will help that out. So I don't have to plug in my Raspberry Pi just to watch Sky or something like that. But yeah, there it is. Tune it up. It starts on 3, you can put it on to 5 volt. So yeah, it's really simple. Get your screwdriver out. Flathead. You need to turn this to the voltage, which is 5 volt now. So how many amps is this? It's 1 amp, right? So yeah, that should be more than enough. Here's the cable. Here's all the plugs. I have no idea if this will even fit in the HDMI thing, but yeah, we'll figure that out. It should be like that one. But yeah, it's got plenty of plugs there, you can see very well. I'll have to take these out just to show you. Right, it's also got a key, so you can turn the voltage with the key, so you don't need a flathead screwdriver at all, so that's cool. And there's the plugs. Only come to around like £8 with the postage as well, Amazon, so yeah, really cool. Cheers for watching. Yeah, just quickly, the polarity on this can be changed. I don't know if you can see that very well, but look for the arrow. If I show you on the instructions, it will actually say how to determine what the centre pin is, which you want to be positive. And yeah, the top one is obviously the positive, and if you see that, basically the negative on the right hand side, then you know it's negative on the centre, so you can change the polarity that way. So yeah, positive at the top, negative at the bottom. So yeah, quite simple. It means you don't get polarity back and front and blow out your stuff.